Thank you IMS for inviting me for this mega alumni meet. It is indeed a pleasure. First of all, my name is Dr. Himanshu Talwar. After finishing my masters from 2005-7 batch, I did my doctorate, DLit and few other degrees. So well connected with students, faculties, everyone here. It was a really long, lengthy, tiring but exciting journey that now after finishing IMS, I speak on international level events like TEDx events. I have written 3 books. I teach, train industry professionals, college students. I write articles in magazines, most of the magazines and newspapers. The journey, what I learned from IMS was that you need to excel, you need to work hard in order to achieve something. And that journey brought me here. It's been 15 years that I left the college, and till today I still have fond memories of IMS, and I really want to wish people who are studying, who have studied at IMS, great success. Success comes at its own cost, and that cost, again I'm repeating, is hard work. Just focus on your journey, focus on what you wish to do, have clear goals and go ahead with it, and success will be yours. Some of my batchmates became successful after 5 years, some after 10. I now still feel that I'm not successful. I still have to go a long way. But every person have their own journey, their own goals. Let us all focus on that. And as I said, that IMS is a great institution. It has carved a niche for itself, and students who have studied here are really blessed and lucky that they got all the facilities, infrastructure, best of the faculties, education in the heart of Ghaziabad or in Delhi NCR. Thank you very much.